being the banana I am, that doesn't really plan stuff, I didn't do an intro for this video. Epsom salts, your bicarb, lavender oil, bergamot. We got lavender blossoms, optional, which we're going to grind up so that the scent comes out. Measuring spoon, a bowl, measuring cup, blip blip. Erin's going to cleanse these beautiful amethyst stones to go into the bath salts. We got my little pestle and mortar, guys. We're actually going to use it today. Woohoo! And a jar! So I'm just using one of my Reiki symbols to connect the crystals with the energy of cleansing. Amethyst is great for connecting yourself with yourself and your higher self into higher realms. What's the whole point of this bath soak that we're creating? So this bath soak is for detoxification, self-love, general relaxation when you've had a really rough day, just really connecting with yourself again. So giving you a tool to really just relax, connect, rejuvenate, revive, and heal yourself. Alright, so we're going to start with some Epsom salts. Erin is putting 3 cups of Epsom salts. A cup of bicarb. Bicarb is great for softening the water and for softening your skin. So if you've got eczema or irritable skin or it's sensitive or anything like that, this will just neutralize the water, make you. You'll feel it on your body when you put it in. It's like this is like using a bath bomb. I used a cup of Epsom salts and a third of a cup of bicarb.
Do you want to pull some of those lavender?
I'm actually going to pull the blossoms off and just chuck those in. We'll get some more and we'll use some of the leaves so we're not wasting anything. Just that one everywhere. And there, it smells amazing.
Okay, and I'm going to do the tablespoon of lavender blossoms into my pestle and mortar. This is kind of like alchemy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you can make gold from anything. This is going to be gold.
Totally, it's going to totally be gold. We're witches brewing.
We're brewing. We're a brewery.
Bubble, bubble, toilet trouble.
Erin and Jackie's awesome brewery. Okay, while I'm doing this, Erin is busy
just mixing.
Hand mixing that.
Look how amazing it looks already.
And it smells delicious. Well, not delicious is not the right term, Jackie, but it smells amazing. And the reason we are pestle and mortaring these guys is because it's going to bring the scent out. Yo, can you smell that already? This isn't working very well.
So it's totally okay to bath with amethyst because it is, it doesn't break down in water, and also being in the salts, it's completely cleansed as well. So it's like it'll be 100% yours if you win this.
Oh, that's something we haven't actually mentioned yet. We're gonna be giving away this jar of Epsom salt soak. What are we calling it? Cleansing soak.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna add the essential oils.
I'm not gonna add lavender because I think we're gonna have enough lavender in here. 6, 7, 8.
How much are we gonna be advising the person to put in their bath?
Grab it and you just like a handful sprinkle.
Okay.
And this is safe to use. I use this all the time. So there's nothing.
How often should you do a
I
cleansing
use
bath?
once a week, I think. So like
Okay.
when it's the full moon or a new moon, just if you're feeling like you need to reconnect, or anything along those lines, that's the perfect time to use it. So use your intuition.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay, let's add these little guys. I think they're smushed enough. You can have a look at that. And look, now my pestle and mortar actually looks like it's legit because it's actually been used.
That smells good. Let's jar it. Okay, so first, just want to do some Reiki.
Erin, okay, so she's infusing it with Reiki, which means it's gonna do exactly what its intention was, and we're gonna put it out into the full moon and make sure that it's charged, which will make it do its job even better.
This is gonna be hard.
I think scoop it with a scoop.
Still, I'm gonna make a mess. I'll do it like this.
I'm excited for this person. Can I have the rest?
Absolutely. I actually need to make some for myself, so we're gonna make another batch after this. Okay.
That's gonna be some serious cleansing and infusing.
And it's got everything you could possibly want in there. It's natural, it comes from the earth, with its lavender, with its crystals, with its Epsom salts, with its bicarb, all good stuff.